Greetings, this is the first video of the Beach Macro Litter Monitoring online training course for citizen science, jointly presented by Sustainable Seas Trust and Greed Arundel. Why have we set up this course? That is an excellent question. We are working on the interface of science and policy. We are linking scientific data with policymakers and other people working on reducing marine litter. We would like you to be able to set up a beach litter monitoring, collecting data that is meaningful and can be used to implement actions tackling the issue. We would like this data that you collect to be of good quality and comparable to other beaches in other areas. It is useful to know how polluted a beach is and what litter items are found on it. It is important to be able to compare beaches and see if and how the types of litter items differ between beaches and areas. It is useful because then we can combine datasets of different beaches. This allows us to create an understanding of the bigger picture of the issue of marine litter. If the data is collected correctly, you will be able to combine and compare data across beaches in your country, in your region, and across the world. You can also gather information at different times in a year, so you can see how the litter may vary within a year. This allows you to collect seasonal information. This course aims to teach you to collect comparable data to support change. To drive actions of change, we need baseline information. We need to understand, 1, the scale of the problem of marine litter, so how much litter. 2, to be able to know where items are coming from or their sources. 3, what items of litter are we finding? What materials are they made of? With this knowledge, we can introduce actions or mitigation measures to reduce the amount of litter entering the environment. To be successful, mitigation measures need to target specific items or sources. To know what actions are most successful, good and comparable data will be needed to guide decisions. Long-term datasets also allow you to measure changes over time, allowing you to see if the amount of litter or specific items increases or decreases. This allows you to see how well the actions that have been put in place are working. Using comparable methods to collect the data means that you can compare the data you are seeing on your beach with other areas or countries. Ultimately, this data can be used to measure the progress towards the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you and enjoy your journey to monitoring marine litter with us.